Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host, and today we are finally picking the winner of the Favorite Things giveaway. So I am really excited to see who wins this giveaway. It's a really awesome giveaway, and we are going over here to the YouTube random comment picker. I entered the YouTube video URL, filtered out duplicate users, just one entry per person. I filtered comments based on a specific word, which is happy. That's the word that I asked you to put in your comment. And I did this very complicated math problem. So we are going to find out how many people entered. All right. Oh no, I forgot. My internet's going really slow lately. It's because we have trees. Yeah. So let me go ahead and do this one more time. And how trees have to do with the internet is just simply that they get in the way of the signal. We live out in the country, so we don't have as many opportunities for internet as 476 comments. I think that's the most that I've ever gotten. That's a lot of people who have entered, but still not that much compared to what I've seen on some channels, so you still have a pretty good chance. Now remember, this is completely random. I'm not in control of this. I am going to press this start button, and you will see who the winner is. Okay, here we go. Elizabeth Brignani. Congratulations for winning the giveaway. She says, "Hi there, so happy to see so many nice things in this giveaway. Thank you." So yeah, there's definitely a lot of really nice things in there, and I am excited about you winning. So Elizabeth, what I need for you to do is to find my email address. It's going to be in that pinned comment, or it's going to be in the description. You can look either place and it's going to be there. What I'm going to need for you to do is to send me an email with a mailing address where you can receive mail, and I will get this package out to you the day after you send it to me. All right. And for those of you who did not win, no worries. I'm posting a new giveaway tomorrow. Plus I have one going on right now. So you will have plenty of chances to win. And you know, my channel's not that huge right now, so you'll have some good chances too. That said, let's everybody congratulate Elizabeth on her win. And I just wanted to let you guys know that for the rest of the week, I am going to be posting that giveaway again tomorrow, and I'm also going to be posting the Magic Memory Crochet Along Afghan Square tomorrow, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, I'll see you soon in another video. Bye for now.